Hello guys, welcome to one of my train spotting videos. Today we are here at Gillingham with this beautiful Class 377. I'm here, the handsome lad, I meant. So yeah, guys, right now we're going to take you a tour through this 377. They originally, just wait for it, open the doors. That's nice. Next thing we know, the interior, it's all southern. And then, wait a minute, and that's how they close. So yeah, that's how it is. Very nice. Hello.
I hope you got that.
No. I would have. Bye bye. There we go. Guys, here we have a Class 700. Nice interior. Ooh. Doors open nicely. Oh. He's swearing at me. What a cunt.
I'm really sorry. I wanted to be able to.
Guys, we have a 377-516 leaving Gillingham and going to London Victoria. So, yeah, must be a good one. It is going now. I'm hoping. There you go. Let's say goodbye. Bye. Is that fuck off? That was Chanel. No, that was fucking Chanel. Another 377. I'm hoping it's late. Looks like it. Guys, there's one thing. These 377s and 375s, they're all made by Electro Storage. See, right there. It is a class 377 Southeastern. It originally came from Southern. Look how clean it is. There's one thing I'm going to show you. The logo. It's nice, so yeah. And then a minute. Them doors are nice and clean, but some stripes, so that's yeah. Guys, I'm about to close this driver cab door. Just look at that. Look at that. Southern interior. But if I close it, that's nice. Hello. That 377 down there is beautiful. The interior of this is mind-blowing. Now we get to see the door closed. Now it's going bye-bye for now. Here we have a 375 to Dover Priory and Ramsgate again. So it's class 379, 375 for 914. So yeah, good choices. And it's going to Dover Priory. It is 1627 Southeastern service to Dover Priory and Ramsgate, calling at Rainham, Leamington, Sittingbourne, Tenham, Faversham, and it splits. I think it's the first four go to Dover and then the rear four go to Ramsgate. So yeah. Hello. Had a nice time. I love them 375s, but I love the 377 the most. Please tell me if I'm correct. This 377 is a 377-509. It's beautiful. It's clean as well, so yeah. Yeah. I'm just train spotting for the day. Why not? And I've got my own YouTube channel, so it's even better. I've got about 25 videos already within a couple of weeks. How many coaches is it?
This is 12.
Is it? And it's going to Victoria.
This is our only 12 coach one we have today.
What, the first one?
Yeah, we had one in the evening.
I'm going to open the doors of this Victoria. And then I'm going to unpause this video when it's, yeah, it's nice. Then there is the, like, carriage number 74, like on this one it's 74275, so yeah. Jesus, I don't know what's happening over there. Go sort it.
Just putting it back out again.
And then I thought it was going to get into a fight.
Oh, I think the guy that they asked to leave was trying to provoke him into a fight. But the professionals, they're not going to get into that. They don't do it.
Because if the one who was shoving the security, say he got punched, wouldn't he, in self-defence, wouldn't he be able to punch back? Guys, here we have a Class 377. The seats are comfortable. So, yeah, that's one thing. Nice. So, yeah, that's another thing. Get there. Keep walking through. Keep walking through. It's all nice and everything. It is a really nice Class 377. So many things. Now I can open the doors. There you go. I will film the doors closing in a minute when it leaves at 45. There you go, it's closing. And then please give me a toot. Come on, train. Oh! So this platform 1 train is 7:15, due to leave here at 7:15 to go to Victoria, it's calling at Chatham, Rochester, Salt Street, Mepham, Longfield, Farmingham Roads, Wanley, St Mary Cray, Bromley South, Denmark Hill, and its destination London Victoria. On the Sunday night 29th of October, bus will replace trains Gillingham, Faversham, Sittingbourne and Sheerness on Sea. So, and it just says South Eastern Service formed of 6 coaches. That's the next train. It's going There's
But the green is
Chatham,
nice.
Rochester, Bromley, South and London Victoria. It's full of 8 coaches in
Oh,
it.
the Rolls
It's
Royce
supposed to
are
leave
nice.
at 5 o'clock. So
Great.
yes.
Yeah, I mean, I would say that, but actually,
Fried. I filled about 21 minutes of this. Look, fucking hate it. I'm trying to film the train here. Fucking hell. Fine. Because I'll probably get the notification you've subscribed. I've got 2 Need for Speed videos. Please tell me you like Need for Speed. But then it's just getting old now. Oh. What does it mean? Platform 3. It does stop here. Oh. It does. They're saying it doesn't, but it is. That's confusing me. Guys, that's the front, well the rear right now of the Thameslink. So, yeah.
Don't know.
Hello. Come on. It's that free coach that passed earlier. I think you can get off here, get the Victoria line, I think. You might have to see, actually.
But